How to replace the touch control board. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, top cover with keyboard, and display panel. Removal. On the back of the display panel, disconnect the touch control board cable from its connector on the touch control board. Remove the two ribbon cables from their ZIF connectors on the touch control board. Remove the touch control board from the adhesive that secures it to the display panel and remove. Replacement. Position the touch control board over its adhesive and retention tabs on the display panel and press down to secure it to the display panel. Insert the two touch control board ribbon cables into their ZIF connectors on the touch control board. Connect the touch control board cable to its connector on the touch control board.